is Roxy. I have some projects that I've made already for my craft sale, so I thought I'd share. I have a lot of old vintage Christmas cards and Easter and Thanksgiving and birthdays and whatever. But so I just take them and I scan them into my Mac and print them off. And these are really good sellers. People like cards, and the vintage is kind of appealing to a lot of people. So I've only got these 3 done so far, but I'll have many more. Then I made a bunch of these Paperbag books. Again, the covers are all my vintage Christmas cards that I have, as are the interiors. And then I just put stuff like Santa and his tree and these cute little kids. Look how cute they are. Waiting for Santa. I always try to make like religious ones too, and I think I did this year. Hopefully. So here's some more collage my friend made. She's very clever. And then another from one of the paper packs. And I just added a little tassel and little gems and whatnot. These are so much fun to make. That's actually my nephew's daughter. She did not like Santa. It's hilarious. And I think she's about, let me think. What would she be? This was 2010. So what? Oh my gosh, she's getting up there. Yikes. Another old vintage. I also collect vintage photos, especially for Christmas and holidays. Those I find usually at garage sales or antique stores. And those are fun to dig through. I could dig through photos all day long. So I put something there, some tags, some more cutouts. And again, these are all vintage cards that I have found. These are little booklets, like songbooks. I've got about 3 of them. So I print these off, double-sided, not double-sided. I print these off and then just make the little booklet. Here's another. Just a brother holding his brother. Look at that tinsel tree. That's how we used to do it. Man, that was a pain in the butt. Taking it all off. Oh, and then I did some Crossfire emblems or stamps. Here's the other book. This one is I Heard the Bells on Christmas Day. So it's just a little booklet. Abby again. I just love that one. Oh my gosh. That was their Christmas card that year. It was so hilarious. And more cutouts. Cut aparts. Don't let those go to waste. And I like this Santa. Looks like he's kind of been in the liquor a little too much. And here's the cute little boys. And another booklet. Oh, no, that's just a card. Never mind. I do have another booklet, though. Giving the side eye. Anything in there? Nope. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is the other booklet. So, oh, it's a card. Orville and Yvonne. I left that in there. We had a friend named Orville, and his wife's name was Arlene. They were super nice. And there's a happy Santa. This is with the tree and Santa and a snowman. I got those those were at a really old person's garage sale. And here's some cute photos. Oops, I got 2 of 1. Quality control. I didn't notice that. Okay, there's that one. I can use this somewhere else. I love the little dog. So cute. There's that book. Another cut apart. My fingers from this medicine I'm taking for the cancer, they make my fingertips numb, and it drives me crazy because you can't feel anything. There's the three guys and that little thing. Oh, and then I made, for some I made little tear pads. Not tear pad, just notebooks. I do make a lot of tear pads too, though. Oh, was that same one? Oh, okay, that's that one. More cut aparts. They're all kind of similar, you know. Here's the books and the card. That's so cute. I hope I'm close enough. I'll die. Did I stir it? Okay. Might film me. Yeah. Have I been in camera? Ugh. Here's this one. Little Evie again. She's just too cute to not share. And these are some photocopy of the green stamps, or what do you call them? What are they called? I can't remember. March of Dimes? 1956. Here's a cute couple. Like, that's cute. I love all the little deer. This is from another collection I have. Those are from the 60s. This is probably 70s. Those colors. Another notepad. And then some more cards. These are really fun though. Gotta make them. And they're easy. I just do 4 lunch bags. Fold them in half. Glue down, you know, the flappies so that you can have pockets. Here's these guys again. And then fill them up. That's cute. One of my favorites. Oh yeah, there's some cards. Those always come from the Christmas packs. Here's some more, I think it's March of Dimes, that emblem there. And then a couple of vintage gift tags and a singing book. I made some other singing books too. I'll show those. And poetry books. Because the poetry book I did last year, it sold like hotcakes. And I probably should do that one again. Because people really liked it. There's a Christmas list. For Santa. And then these are from Temu. But I didn't take it off the backing so they can do that. And she's a cutie. Another card. That one's cute too. Some more. Oh, another book. I like Skiing Santa a lot. And these are gnomes I made last year on my silhouette. And then this stuff. So there's that one. Now they're not going to go in. There. And the boys are in the back. So that's those. I'll be back with something else. But it'll be another video. Thanks so much for watching. And let me know what you think if you made these. They're really fun to make. Thank you. Bye.